guys, welcome back. It's me Sinto. So this is again the time of Christmas. I have put on the Christmas tree in the front of my house, decorated it very well. So you can see Merry Christmas and lots of stuffs here. It was breaking from time to time, so I have to fix it again and again. Anyhow, it is already up and going. So by evening it will lit up. So lots of works have been going around my house, so I could not make much of aquarium and fish keeping videos. This is the front of my house. New tiles are being fixed on the sides, very good tiles. And this is a special tile. I made a grid line on the tile to keep it on the front of the house, so there is a space you can see at the top. There one inverter is there. Ventilation for that inverter, I have made that grilled on the tiles. It was made using a water jet. I was living near to Kochi, so there was a shop called Stone Max. You can check it out in the Google. They do water cutting of tiles and marbles. Very good works. I like their finish. If you go back to the house, you can see my outhouse. It is almost complete. I also did extension of my old bathroom and made the stairways by the side of the bathroom to the upper side of the house. I will give you a tour to the upper side of the house. There it is, the extended bathroom from the inside and the stairway. I will later put marbles on it and also apply a glass fence around it. It will be looking very nice. If you want to see all these, make sure to subscribe my channel and stay up to date with my videos. Yeah, this is the top of the house. Little bit here and there broken. I have to fix all this since it is a very old house. It is sitting on a 1 acre land, and this is the inverter I talked to you about. There is a ventilation space, and this is the iCruise 4000 inverter I newly bought. If you want to see the review of this, check out my product review channel. It is called Financial. You can see all these channels in my channel page. Go there and check out my channels. So after the ventilation works for the inverter is complete, I will upload the video on it. And this is the outhouse work going on. Now the tile work is pending. Next the electrical works, and then the door will be attached and it will be almost complete. And this is the 1 acre land I talked to you about. It is almost covering the entire space around the house. A lot of space is there. I plan to do farming, fish farming, as well as crop cultivation. So this is the solar brick, a cladding tile. They have been fixed around the middle layer of the outhouse on the outer side. And now I'm going inside the outhouse. This is the 2600 gallon large aquarium I am talking about. This is the main attraction for the upcoming project on this channel. I plan to put some bull sharks in it, but I will be starting with some normal fishes like the discus fishes. Bull sharks are not illegal, but I saw them dead and being sold out in the fish market. I didn't like it that much. Anyway, this is the inside of the bathroom. Lot of new products being installed here. Means the Kohler brand products are going to be installed inside this bathroom. There will be a countertop wash basin here, a Kohler wall toilet here. There will be sink there, and there will be a shower area here. All will be of Kohler, and latest Johnson tiles will be applied on the walls of that bathroom. So this is the outer area. There is a lot of space. Currently the rocks that are found inside this dug out land been broken down into smaller rock pieces. This is the motor room or the filtration room. I also bought the tiles for this filtration room. They are very good looking tiles from Johnson, very durable, hard, and good grey colors textures with white patches are there. Once it is being laid down, it will be looking very good. So make sure you stay up to date with the upcoming videos. This is the back side of the large aquarium where the filter room is there. And now I will go to the upper side of this outhouse. This is the staircase that is going to the upper side. A pretty neat setup. Now this land had to be leveled out and made to be look something useful. So like you can see that this is a good view from the top. You can see the entire land around the house from here, and there is also the land of my neighbors. If you look inside the aquarium from the top, it is all messed up. Acrylic panels are pending, also the filtration is pending, then the cabinets to access the aquarium is also pending. So these all works are pending. I think it will take 6 more months to complete all this. Currently the wall cladding tiles are being applied. So you can see that there is a lot of lands around the house. If you have any idea about what should I do with this land, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. I would really like to know. The ideas may be farming, fish farming, crop cultivation. I plan to cultivate some hop plants because they sell around 85,000 Indian rupees per kg. For selling that much amount of hop plants, fruits, you need around 200 hop plants to be planted, maintained and fertilized well. That is not an easy task, but first I have to learn things about cultivating crops. I am very beginner at cultivating crops. If you have any tips for getting started, make sure to drop it down in the comment section. So you can see that the land is very vast, lot of waste is there to be maintained and has to be cleared out from time to time from all the waste and debris that are there. So the tile works are very anticipating. The workers are not rushing it. I want to be installed very quickly because I want to see the tiles inside this outhouse. They would be looking very stunning after it is being installed. Also the electrical works are also pending. The works are very slow here because the workers sometimes they come, sometimes they take leaves. I cannot do anything about it because there are not many workers around this area. So if you see the tiles, they are from RK, good texture with gold lines are also there and slightlish brownish color. After the ceiling lights are installed, these tiles will be looking very stunning inside the outhouse. And this one is the 2600 gallon aquarium. Acrylic panels are pending. I contacted the largest acrylic panel installer called Redfin Aquatics. They are very good at maintaining aquarium and also making aquariums, where they are very well known about it. The cost of acrylic panels are very costly, so I have to wait for it. If you can help it out in the process, make sure to share it with your friends that can donate some funds for speed up the projects. That is the acrylic panels. Once the acrylic panels are got, everything will be finished for that large aquarium. So after the cladding works are complete, I can move the things that are in my old creator studio to the outhouse. I also did some upgrades to my old car. I installed some stereo systems, that is the touch screens, and also upgraded the alloy wheels of my car. I installed new alloy wheels. If you want to see all this, make sure to subscribe my product review channel called the Financial. Okay, my old aquariums are inside this car shed, and there you go. This is the turtle aquarium. If you have been watching my videos, you may know that I have a turtle. It is almost 4 years old. She is a female, and these are the old discus fishes that I have grown. Around 4 are pending to be sold in and these are the discus fishes I have. Small babies that have been growing for about 4 months now. Pretty good. I like to feed them every morning. They are fed on beef heart, processed beef heart with multivitamins. So there you go. You can see the discus fish babies. Now around 15 or 18 are there. There were more than 20. Some died. They were weak, and I could not do anything about them. So I have to let it go. And this is the pathos plant or the money plant I am trying to grow on the top of it. So I learned it from YouTube. Some aquarium keepers are growing vegetables on the top of aquarium, so I tried it out. And this is my planted aquarium. You might have seen the videos in my previous video post. I added some algae eaters inside it because there were algae issues. Since I upgraded the light to the new Sun aquarium light, the algae issues started appearing. Also, there were black brush algae here. It is appearing inside the aquarium because of high carbon content or decomposing content inside the water. So I am planning to add some water treatment before adding it into the aquarium. This is the new light I bought. 2 of them I bought, one for this and a bigger one for another aquarium. And this one is the aquarium cabinet I built. I have posted many shots about it. Made of teak wood, curved edge. If you want to buy a cabinet like this, make sure to order it on my website. I can build custom cabinets for your aquariums. If you like this one, make sure to leave it a like and comment it about it in the comment section. You can also order a cabinet like this on my website, custom made for your aquarium. So there you go, the planted aquariums. The Monte Carlo carpeting plants are growing very well, but my blue sea philantras are not doing that much well. I'm trying to rescue it and taking good care of it, a good look on it every day so that it can grow out very well. So that's it for this video. Make sure to give it a like, share it with your friend, and do subscribe for watching the upcoming videos. And happy Christmas and prosperous New Year 2023. Bye and take care. Have a good time.